How to keep makeup fresh all day. Hello and welcome to Health and Remedies, a channel which covers health conditions and their treatments, complementary medicine, nutrition, beauty, trending health topics and emerging health issues. After putting on makeup, it somehow becomes difficult to keep it fresh for the whole day, which is very annoying, right? The only question arises, how can I keep my makeup fresh for the whole day? I use various methods, but everything drains off. So today, in this video, we will share the top 10 ways to keep your makeup fresh for the whole day. Also, if you enjoy this content, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. Without wasting time, let's get into this video. Number 1. Blotting sheets. You can reach for blotting sheets to make your makeup fresh for the whole day. Also, blotting paper helps you to get oil off your face and will control shine on your face. This is especially designed to be absorbent and is better than normal tissue. So if you have oily skin, then it is recommended to use blotting paper, which is readily available on Amazon, so you can purchase them from there. Number 2. Mattifying sunscreen. If you are putting thick sunscreens on your face, then you should avoid doing that, as they can cause your makeup to break down. Instead of that, you should use lightweight sunscreen to layer under your makeup. Also, if you have oily skin, then mattifying sunscreen can be good for you. They are generally sweat-proof and non-shiny and will set under your makeup comfortably without budging. Number 3. Lip stain. Instead of lipstick, you can go with a lip stain. These are generally long-lasting as compared to lipsticks. This is because lip stain is a product in which colour is generally absorbed by the lips, rather than forming a layer which lipsticks do. However, lip stains can be drying, so it is best to apply a moisturising lip balm first. Lip stain is good for those who don't like the feel of lipsticks and want all-day colour. Number 4. Seal your eyeliner. Eyeliners are a great way to enhance beauty, aren't they? But the major drawback of eyeliner is that it fades or smudges away. So, how can you seal your eyeliner? Well, to prevent your eyeliner from fading or smudging away, you should seal the eyeliner by layering a powder shadow on top. If you don't want to layer powder, then you can also go with oil-absorbent sheets. By the way, there are many eyeliner sealers available today. They can help your eyeliner to stay in one place for long hours. Number 5. Seal your eyeshadow. Are your oily eyelids a major problem and bringing you down? Then you can seal your eyeshadow just like your eyeliner. But how? Well, you just have to apply a translucent powder over your lids before applying your eye makeup. Not only are oily eyelids a problem, but your dry eyes can also make it difficult for your eyeshadow to stay put. So, you can use an eye cream to solve this problem. This can be a good solution for all these problems. These little tricks will enhance the wear time of your eye makeup. Number 6. Apply spray. You can lock in your makeup by applying a setting spray. These sprays are just like a hairspray. Their purpose is to keep your makeup in place and to prevent it from fading or smudging away. Is using this spray necessary? Well, it's up to you. It's your choice, but if you want your makeup to last longer and stay exactly how you applied it, then you should give it a try. Setting sprays are readily available from Amazon. How many of you are aware of setting spray? Share it in the comments below. Number 7. Apply waterproof makeup. Most people think that they don't need any kind of waterproof makeup like eyeliner or mascara. Waterproof makeup not only protects your makeup from water, it also tends to look fresher and stays on for longer without fading and smudging as compared to non-waterproof makeups. Also, with waterproof makeup, you don't have to reapply more products, which will save you time and money. Number 8. Use oil-free products. There are many oil-based products like foundation, so try to avoid oil-based foundations and use oil-free products instead, because oil-based products will slip out of place. There are many oil-free foundations available. You can go with any one of them. But how do you know if a product is oil-based or not? Well, you can get to know by having a look at the ingredient list. If the first ingredient is mentioned as oil, such as sweet almond oil or any other kind of oil, then it is an oil-based product. This is how you can distinguish. Number 9. Prime your skin. If you have oily skin, then using a makeup primer will help everything to stay put. A primer is a gel or a cream which, when applied over your skin, fills in tiny creases and large pores and makes your skin smooth for your makeup to glide over. Primers are also readily available on online e-commerce platforms like Amazon. Number 10. Remove makeup ASAP. Remove your makeup as soon as you are able to. This is very important because it can cause extensive damage to your skin during the night. Generally, skin renews itself when you sleep, and if you don't remove your makeup before you sleep, it means you are preventing this process from happening, which will eventually lead to dry skin, acne, and even wrinkles. So thorough cleansing and removal of makeup is essential in preventing wrinkles and blemishes. In conclusion, makeup will enhance your looks, but at the same time can also affect your skin. So make sure you take proper steps to protect your skin from any kind of damage. Also, many people face the problem they have with their makeup fading off or smudging off after some time, so there are many ways to get rid of this problem. You can follow all the steps given in this video to make sure you don't have to face this problem again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Also, feel free to leave a comment. Have you had trouble keeping your makeup in place all day? Have you tried any of the above mentioned steps and have they worked for you? I look forward to sharing another video with you soon. Bye for now.